Now let us talk about Nritya. Rasabhava Vyanjanadi Yuktam Nrityami Tiryate. Yetan Nrityam Maharaja Sabhayam Kalpayet Sada. According to Nandikeshwara's Abhinaya Darpana, these Nrityas are compositions which are enriched with bhava and then leads to rasa. This was normally aspired for in the royal court. Here, bhava is given great importance and vinyoga-hastas are used. Abhinaya is done according to the sahitya or song, and sanchari bhava vinaya, that is the depiction of stories or events, is also used. In Natya Shastra, song in praise of God is considered Nritya, but in the present times, Shabda, Varna, Tillana are considered Nritya. This is with the use of Nritya also, but without Nritya, there are some things like Pada, Javali and Shloka, Devanna.
Sukha manona sharana movegi ma vigna vinayaka deki deki mukha manona sharana movegi ma vigna vinayaka anam namta nam nam da nam da nam da nam da nam da Varna Kobida Chidvilasa Murte Subhakirte Dora Varna Kobida Chidvilasa Murte Subhakirte Nam Tanam 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 Tanam